MakerspaceCT provides discount parking for $3 for members and visitors. This discount is available on weekdays after 5 p.m. and all day on Saturday, Sunday. The location for the parking is at the Matt Garage on Church Street, and it's important to note that this is the only location where this discount is available. If you park in a different lot or parking garage, we will not be able to give you this discount. But it is available at this location on Church Street. The entrance to the garage is between Hartford Stage at 50 Church Street and the Stilts Building at 20 Church Street. It's about a block from the Talcott Street entrance of the Makerspace. So the process for purchasing this parking is, first of all, again, you have to park in the Matt Garage, and it has to be after 5 p.m. on a weeknight or anytime on Saturday, Sunday, and then purchase the $3 garage parking at MakerspaceCT.com/park. When you come into the Makerspace, you need to show your purchase confirmation to one of the shop staff, and that can be an email confirmation that you were sent. You can show them on your phone, or you can print it out before you leave the house. But in either case, you will need to provide some sort of confirmation that you purchased the voucher, and then the tech will provide the voucher for you. You can take that voucher back to the parking garage and use it to scan out of the garage. So again, this is only at the Matt Garage. It's $3 for parking. During this time frame, weeknights and weekends, the typical rate is $6.50, so it is a good discount. If you have any questions, please let us know. But just remember, MakerspaceCT.com/park for all of your questions about parking. Thank you.